Hello everyone, as all of you know, CivilsDaily is organizing a workshop for you guys from 11th of November to 13th of November, and I'll be taking your workshop on the 13th itself. I'm Dimple Chauhan, the core faculty at CivilsDaily, and I specifically look after the Samachar Manthan division, which is the current affairs division of our class, wherein we specifically focus at the note making aspect. So this workshop is also assigned to the note making procedure of prelims and mains. As I know that major bottleneck of most of the students is when it comes to the note making of prelims and mains. So when how do you want to make notes of pre, how much information you have to inculcate into your notes, what particular information should go into your mains notes, what particular value addition should go into your mains notes. So I'll be telling you all of this by the help of a particular topic, in which I'll also tell you that how can you extract so much information which is required for your prelims, and basically you can cover or you can extract information of 12 months of your monthly magazines or weekly magazines, and you can consolidate all of that information in only one file, so that you are able to look at that particular file just before your prelims examination hits. So that will be very handy for your upcoming prelims in May, in the month of May, and also it will be very important for your mains examination next year. So do join the seminar on the coming Sunday, and you can register yourself for the seminar in the description box, in the link which is provided in the description box. So see you on 13th Sunday.